Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I've got two things that I want to share with you that will really make a difference to your business. Now, I'm here right now in the south of France, spending some quality time with my family, been hanging out here for a couple of weeks. And one thing that you see here in the south of France is lots of business owners, particularly in this area, are more likely to sell unique products, as in their own products or services. They're not all selling the same stuff like you might see in the big stores. Now, what that does is when you create your own products is it will allow you to have more margin in your business. So think of it like this: if you had a restaurant, then you have that restaurant, and rather than selling Mars bars, you create your own chocolate bars, because doing that will give you more margin and ultimately make you more profit in your business. And that's an important thing. You need to have margin in your business to be really successful. Now, another thing is you need to have your business in a location where there are customers looking for you. So these streets that I'm walking around, they're packed with people looking to buy products, go for restaurants and all that stuff. Everywhere here is very, very busy. But there are other businesses on the outskirts of the town that are less busy. So they're making it more difficult for themselves to grow their business. So what you need to do is get your business in the right place. Now, in the internet world, that right place is probably going to be Facebook. There are lots of places you could be. You could be on LinkedIn, Google, Instagram. But Facebook, most people go there at least once a week. So your customers are there and the advertising is very, very cheap. Now, I've created a guide on how to get more leads and sales. And I've got 30 of the best strategies that we use in our business every single week to get leads and sales into our business. And I want to give you a free copy of that. And to get that, all you need to do is click on the link around this video, download the guide, and it will be in your inbox in seconds. So do that now and get that guide, and I'll see you on the next page. Cheers, guys.